Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to talk keto on a budget, what to stock up on this December for the full month. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to talk about keto on a budget, specifically saving money with keto, that keto does not have to be expensive, but what should you stock up on for your stockpile that are keto products? And that's this whole episode is going to be on. But first, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. If we don't know each other, I'm Elizabeth. I've lost 67 pounds through keto. My keto weight loss has been through lazy keto eating and through intermittent fasting. But on this episode, I'm going to dive in and tell you some of my best cost-saving techniques with keto, because lazy keto, easy keto, keto, high fat, moderate protein, low carb does not have to be expensive. And I personally love doing keto on a budget, having some splurges in there, but having keto on a budget. So for this episode, I've got 7 tips for you of what to stock up on, what specific items to stock up on throughout the month that are going to be better savings throughout the entire year. Tip number 1 is ham. Ham prices right now are redonk cheap. This is a great keto on a budget. If you're on a budget looking to save money with having the lazy keto and keto diet, get your ham and put it in your freezer or cook it a bunch. Ham right now, if you can find it for $1.50 a pound or under, it's a great stock up price to get. And from this frugal mama, this keto mama, I would encourage you to get it. So ham is my first stock up item for the month of December. My next tip for keto on a budget and what to stock up on in December is going to be turkey. Turkey savings are also excellent. I'm seeing prices that are super, like you can get them free at some places, and they had that a lot in November, but still in December, I'm still seeing some turkey stock ups of where you can literally get free turkeys at certain grocery stores. So watch your circulars in your particular areas for your savings. Tip number 3 is going to be chicken stock or beef stock. Because there's so much baking going on, there's lots of stock prices, and then you can parlay to make that into your bone broths or use it for keto soups, keto casseroles. I personally am stocking up on my chicken stock, my beef stock, that I will use also with bone broths and soups, and to like aid in that too. So that's stock number 3. Number 4 for your keto on a budget, what to stock up on December is butter. Of course, because keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb, and this frugal lady likes to save money here. Saving money and keto does not have to be expensive. The inexpensive item to get to stock up on is butter, and you can freeze butter. So I'm seeing lots of great sale ads, not necessarily for the grass-fed, like the Kerrygold grass-fed butter, but just butter in general, making sure it's not margarine. Margarine is no bueno, but getting a good quality butter if you can find the grass-fed butter. There are some great sales going on because people are baking. Tip number, where are we? Tip number 4? Tip number 5. I always lose track in these videos. Tip number 5 on your keto on a budget is Instapots. While that's not a keto item, it will help aid you in your keto cooking. Instapots are amazing. I'm going to link down below the one that I personally love, and some other cost-saving ones that you can get. There's tons of deals going on right now in December, particularly for Christmas items and holiday items. That's tip number 5 is an Instapot, because it will help save you money by having a new way to cook and faster way to cook. Tip number 6 on our keto on a budget is air fryers. Same thing, super easy way to cook wings and save yourself a lot of money cooking bacon in a different way. There's lots of ways you can use your air fryer to help cook, and lots of cost savings. I've seen some air fryers as low as $30. I don't know the size of them. The one I have is larger, and I will link that below. Tip number 7, and the final one, is kitchen appliances in general. are also majorly discounted. If you need, say, a new toaster oven, those are on sale. Immersion blenders are also on sale. I'm going to link down below in the comments. My little one that I use, my coffee one, is usually $6, $7. It's a great stocking stuffer. And so I would highly recommend that if you need like a new coffee maker. They have like the old school ones. I don't use a Keurig coffee. I use a straight up coffee maker. Those are also on sale. And my bonus tip for you, my tip number 8, is looking for gift card savings this time of year. Target just had their 10% off deal where it was you get 10% off Target gift cards. And that's great for keto on a budget because you could go to Target, get one of those 10% off gift cards, and use that for groceries throughout the year or throughout different savings. I'm using mine, the one that I bought, that will be applied to groceries later on in the future just to help with savings along the way. An extra 10% in the budget is always a good thing. Oh, and if you're interested in my warrior necklace, I have those in gold tone and silver tone too. That's an extra added bonus for you as well. So those are my stock up items for this month's Keto on a Budget of what to stock up on this December. What am I missing? Put down in the comments below. Have you seen great sales that I should be aware of? This frugal mama would love to know because keto does not have to be expensive. Losing weight through keto, high fat, moderate protein, low carb. If you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my weekly Wednesday weight loss encouragement email. Say that 5 times fast, and check out my other videos. Make it a powerful day.